Better? She said, that's all. Tell him hi. Messy girl. You gotta have mud all over you here as soon as it starts raining. Talk to me. Talk to me. Come on, talk to me. Can you talk? I'm gonna start taking this fucking camera with me everywhere. Go, Mags. Oh, I didn't mean to say F word. Sophie looks like she's rolled too. Trying to get all the cats. I got one more cat. Sam! Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh no, you hate that noise. By the way, so does Sophie. Okay, it's getting dark. Just went and got the garbage can. Oh no, we don't want to see that. Look. They knocked the garbage can over too. Orange cat. Psst. Ah, here comes my last interloper. He's coming up the drive. Here comes Sam. All right, all my cats are here. Good. It's Tuesday night. They're crazy. Like, oh, cat poop. Gotta go. Alright, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like really dreary. And it's looked like this all day. Alright, now look. Oh, here she comes. Now she's limping. Uh-huh. And you said pothole puts on an act. So does she. Oh yeah, and we got freaking mosquitoes too out here. Well, I guess with this 80-degree weather. You should send your friend from Norway the link to let her look at this. Maya cat. Mm-hmm. Oh, here she comes again. Can you say hi? It's like, are you kidding me? Alright, talk to you later. Love you, bye.